2 years ago, a man was killed in a moped accident. His name, Karon Hylton Brown. D.C. police officers were seen on video trying to pull him over and following him. He was riding a moped on a sidewalk and he didn't have on a helmet. Good evening, I'm Leslie Foster.
And I'm Lorenzo Hall. Those officers on trial for murder while on duty for the first time anyone can really remember. Today, 12 jurors finally hearing some of the key evidence. Our Bruce LaShan just left the courtroom and joins us now live. And Bruce, a lot of folks watching this trial.
Absolutely. Officer Terrence Sutton charged with second-degree murder in the 2020 death of Karon Hylton Brown during a police chase. He's in the courtroom listening carefully, watching carefully as prosecutors open this case against him. Sutton's supervisor, Lieutenant Andrew Zabowski, is on trial with him, accused of conspiracy to try and cover up what happened. A fiery start to a historic trial. With the victim's mother listening, prosecutor Ahmed Muqtada Bassett pointing at Officer Terrence Sutton and telling jurors that man right there murdered Karon Hylton Brown. He did it with his police car, with conscious disregard of the extreme danger of death or serious bodily injury.
Karon
Hylton Brown's death caught on body-worn camera video. Lieutenant Andrew Zabowski accused of conspiring with Sutton to cover up the 3-minute-long police pursuit before Hylton Brown rode his rented electric scooter in front of an SUV on Kennedy Street Northwest and was hit and killed, allegedly starting the conspiracy even as Hylton Brown lay dying. Police chased him on suspicion of riding a scooter on the sidewalk and without a helmet.
Justice for Karon!
The young father's death in 2020 touched off days of protests and violent clashes between officers and demonstrators outside the 4th District Police Station in Northwest D.C. Even as the nation grappled with racial justice and the police murder of George Floyd.
My child was human. He didn't deserve that. He wasn't out here robbing and stealing and doing all that. No.
The police officers were part of a crime suppression unit, and their lawyers alleged that Hylton Brown was in Brightwood Park to retaliate after an earlier dispute. Hylton Brown would be alive today, lawyer J. Michael Hannon told jurors, if he'd stopped his moped. He might have been arrested with a weapon, he might have been arrested with drugs, but he would be alive. The trial here expected to last about 3 weeks, possibly past Thanksgiving. And if Sutton is convicted of second-degree murder, he faces a maximum sentence of life in prison. Leslie and Lorenzo, back to you.
Yeah, such an emotional and striking day, and this is only day one. Bruce, thank you so much.